Let's face it, being exceptional is exhausting. Hard work, discipline, accountability, AW. What if I told you there's a much easier path? A proven step-by-step guide to staying average forever. No pressure, no progress, no inner growth. Just a smooth, comfortable ride into long-term regret. Sound good? Perfect. Here are 21 brilliant ways to stay mediocre for the rest of your life. 1. Hit snooze. Why wake up early and seize the day when you can sleep through it in 9-minute chunks? Training yourself to delay discomfort is the first step to long-term irrelevance. 2. Blame your childhood. Everything wrong with your life? Totally your parents' fault. Take no ownership. You're just a helpless character in a tragic story you refuse to edit. 3. Make goals you never revisit. Write your goals in a shiny new notebook, and then lose it forever. Nothing screams success like a forgotten dream covered in dust. 4. Chase every trend. Crypto, dropshipping, biohacking, air fryers. Doesn't matter if you care. Just do it because everyone else is doing it. Originality is overrated. 5. Use your phone as a pacifier. Any moment of silence or discomfort, scroll. Feel weird emotions, scroll faster. Drown out your thoughts so they never have the chance to grow. 6. Be busy, not productive. Fill your calendar with useless meetings and fake hustle. Never prioritize. Never pause. Keep moving so you never realize you're going nowhere. 7. Avoid feedback like the plague. If someone gives you criticism, call them a hater. The problem isn't you, it's their toxic vibes. Block, unfriend, mute. 8. Talk big, act small. Constantly tell people about your next big move. A startup, a podcast, a novel. Never do it. Just keep talking. It's almost the same as doing it, right? 9. Be emotionally available to Netflix. Pour all your passion into fictional characters. Cry over their heartbreaks. Ignore your own. Binge until your life feels like the loading screen. 10. Never question your beliefs. What you learned at age 15 is gospel. Don't evolve. Don't adapt. Doubt is dangerous. Echo chambers are cozy. 11. Spend money to feel something. Buy things you don't need to impress people you don't know to fill a hole you refuse to confront. It works. For about 6 minutes. 12. Keep toxic people around. If someone constantly drains your energy and never claps when you win, perfect. Keep them close. You wouldn't want to be lonely and peaceful, right? 13. Think about doing things. A lot. Make long lists. Watch productivity videos. Visualize success. But never, ever actually start. Thinking is safer. 14. Complain creatively. Whine with flair. Use metaphors. Blog about your misery. Just don't use that same energy to change anything. 15. Believe in luck only. Success isn't about habits, strategy, or sacrifice. It's just luck. And you're cursed, obviously. So don't try. 16. Fear change like it's fire. Comfort is king. Stay in your lane even if it's a dead end. Don't explore. Don't risk. Don't grow. It's cozy in here. 17. Turn your life into a reaction channel. Be outraged at everything. Gossip. Judge. Critique everyone else who dares to try. That way you never have to. 18. Wait for the perfect moment. Don't start now, wait for a sign. The stars, the moon, the perfect mood. A 3-day weekend. Then still don't start. 19. Be allergic to books. Why read when you can scroll comments on TikTok for insights? Who needs centuries of wisdom when memes exist? 20. Celebrate victimhood. Make your pain your personality. Reject healing, it might make you boring. Stay bitter, stay loud. 21. Measure success by followers.